Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my most recent Dior product right here. And it's going to be my Dior Mitzah Scarf up close and personal. So if you guys are interested in seeing this product, then keep on watching. You guys, Spring 2021, of course, is all about pastels. Dior right now is all about, like, I think their theme is like zodiac sign, and I think it's super cute. You guys know I'm a Dior junkie, I'm a Chanel junkie. I just love the feminine side of both brands, and I just love having them in my wardrobe. But I fell really in love with the Dior Mitzah Scarves. Now, let me just take it right out of the bag for you. So this is what it came in. And then of course you get this Dior keychain, or like charm. So I think I need to tie that onto my bag. And then you get these Mitzah scarves. And I just want to let you guys know before I open this scarf was $230. It's right on the Dior website. All right, I'm gonna just open it up. So it comes in these little boxes like this, right? And you just pop it off like this, and then it just comes out in this gorgeous long twill scarf. You guys, I have it in powder pink, which is honestly adorable. It's 100% silk, made in Italy, and this is like a twill scarf, and you can wear it around your neck, around your wrist. You can tie this around your top handle bags. You can tie it in a bow around the chains of your bags. You could put this in your hair and like wear it like so. And then of course, let me just show you guys the detailing of this scarf, and then I'll read you its description from online. But I'm obsessed with it. Like, it's my baby. So what you get for $230 is an authentic Dior piece, which is important, especially for those people who are trying to like keep up with their finances. I think $230 for a 100% silk scarf made by Dior, I think that's a really fair price, because you'll find silk items, but very few of them are made of 100% mulberry silk, which is the highest quality silk you can get. And the detailing on this scarf it's kind of their Dior from all around the world collection, and it has these gorgeous animals and trees, and like, I just love the design of it. I couldn't help but the detailing and the monkeys. The detailing is just stunning. I love, love, love. I think that is a lion taking down a serpent, which I think is amazing. It then has Christian Dior at the very end, and then it has pointed ends, which I think is so, so beautiful. Then on the back, which I adore, is big letters, Christian Dior. You're gonna see the tag. It says Dior, made in Italy, and then it just goes all the way down into that point. You guys can also wear it around your head like this, and I just think it's absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna read you the description of these Mitzah scarves. I know Chanel has their twills. I think like all the brands, I know Hermes has something like this. They all have like their signature designs that they love, but I just thought this particular Dior Mitzah scarf was just stunning. I love animals, okay? Like, okay, I know like maybe I'm just like a little weird, but I love that there's like lions and monkeys on this, and I just absolutely adore it. This pastel pink color that it comes in, you can wear, especially for spring 2021. These are absolutely stunning. I know this comes in other colors. I believe I saw a baby blue. I think I saw a black. It comes in other designs, other colors. This isn't the only Mitzah design that Dior has, but this is the Mitzah design that I, Miss Morgan Talks, would love to have in her wardrobe. I'm gonna read about this scarf to you, but I'm gonna also tie her around my neck. Let me just say, she lays very luxuriously, and I'm just gonna like apply her, very French. Now, I'm sure there are beautiful, beautiful ways to apply these scarves, so I'm just gonna wait to critique it. But if you have it hanging down, it'll say Christian Dior right here, and you could just have like this moment of just like, hi, how are you? I'm chic and I'm French. Okay, description. The scarves, an emblematic motif of the house since 1947, is revisited on the pink silk twill Mitzah scarf with its elongated shape, pointed ends, and contrasting Christian Dior signature in capital letters. It may be folded as you wish and can be worn around the neck or around the wrist. Inspired by Mr. Dior's legendary muse, the graceful Mitzah Bricard, the scarf is the ideal finishing touch to any look. And I agree, and I definitely think you can wear this a lot of different ways other than your neck and your wrist. I mean, you can wrap this around bags, you could put it in bows, geez, you could wear it anywhere you want, honestly. And I'm surprised they didn't list this one as a headband also, because you could definitely wrap it around your crown and have this beautiful Christian Dior like silk just hanging down your back. I mean, it's amazing. So it's pink twilly print. It's Christian Dior signature in capital letters, pointed ends, can be tied at the neck, wrist, or on bag. Dimensions are 6 centimeters by 105 centimeters. It's 100% silk twill, and it's made in Italy. So you guys, this is just gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to come on here and just show you guys my newest Dior piece. If you guys wanna see all the different ways that I plan on wearing this and you guys want a separate video on it, please comment down below and let me know what you think. I just thought it was important because you see these silk twills on their websites and you see that they're only $230. And I know that sounds excessive, but for brands like Chanel, brands like Dior to have these gorgeous silk twills, you really want to see what they look like before you buy them. And I know these types of videos are kind of hard to find because I've been looking for them and no one really pulls them out in detail for you guys. So this is Spring Cruise, Summer Cruise, Springtime 2021, Christian Dior Mitzah Scarf in baby pink. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, subscribe and hit the notification bell, notified every time I upload a new video. So everybody, I love you and stay fabulous. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.